What's up people, it's Paul here. Exynos is getting worse and worse. The users want the Exynos chip to level up with the Qualcomm chipset in terms of performance. The users are getting angry with the Exynos issues. The users are complaining about the bad battery life, overheating and some standard custom issues. In opposite to that, the Qualcomm chipsets never had this kind of complaints. According to Samsung, Samsung's next flagship Exynos processor could better as the company is switching from old Mongoose CPU cores to the stock ARM CPU cores. Samsung seems to have some bigger plans for its upcoming Exynos chipset in the future. Apparently, they seem to prove that right. Samsung is collaborating with Google to develop a custom chipset. According to the reports, the custom Exynos processor could be launched by the Google. And nearly in an update to that, last month we came through Samsung had been in partnership with AMD as well. Samsung's first mobile chipset to feature AMD graphics might get launched in 2021. The fact that the mobile gaming is still growing in popularity, which has prompted the smartphone manufacturers to create smartphones which is dedicated to the gaming industry. Now, MediaTek and Qualcomm anticipated for their dedicated gaming chipsets in cheaper smartphones. Samsung might want some piece of gaming. As we know, Samsung smartphones are powered by ARM Mali or Adreno graphics, but this time Samsung's collab with AMD can make that possible. AMD is the graphic chip that powers the two video gaming competitors Xbox and PlayStation. If the tentative 2021 launch date for Samsung's first AMD powered chipset will materialize, then we might to see Samsung's first dedicated gaming device. There was a glimpse on Samsung's GPU benchmark where the Samsung's GPU stand alone with the Snapdragon Exynos 1000, which is a 5nm processor, will be powering the AMD graphics. They want to be number one position in gaming console industry. Nintendo is first third-party company to use the Samsung AMD graphic. The current Nintendo is powered with Nvidia, and Nvidia was partnered with Nintendo back in 2015, and since then they won't had a high upgradation in the chipsets. So yes, Nintendo is saying goodbye to Nvidia after a 5-year partnership. After that, Sony will also be a partner with the AMD for their upcoming video game PlayStation 5. In an instinct, Samsung's 2021 flagship will have the same gaming graphic architecture to use in the video games. Samsung AMD can give better competition to Apple's A and Qualcomm's chipset. They had potential to beat them. Qualcomm will not sit back and will give some response to Samsung's AMD. So we guys talked about AMD, so AMD will handle the GPU section, then what about the CPU? So recently in a report, ARM has officially announced Cortex A78 architecture with long unveiled Cortex X1. Now Qualcomm also uses ARM cores but the custom feature modification. ARM unveiled its new ARM Cortex X1, which is 30% faster to the ARM Cortex A77. ARM made this architecture for the feedback because Qualcomm won't use this core architecture because they have their custom modification cores. At the end, Exynos will use this ARM Cortex X1 and can be able to stand alongside with the Qualcomm. Now we need to see this in which smartphone did this processor runs on with this AMD GPU and this ARM Cortex X1 CPU. If you want to catch some of the leaks of Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus, check the playlist. I had made couple of videos on that too. That's it for today. If you liked the video, so give a like to the video and subscribe the channel for more tech updates, technology stuff and more interesting smartphone leaks. So I'm signing off. See you soon with another tech update. Goodbye. Peace out.